Next up, we have another Hoplarchus phase 1. This fish was captive bred, and he's a similar to our display fish, Zeus, our 600-gallon aquarium. It lives peacefully in this display tank by itself with the rainbow shiners. This fish loves to eat zucchini and eats almost a slice by himself every day. As you can see, most of our plecos enjoy zucchini as the main staple of their diet. In this tank, we have our breeding group of long-fin green dragon nose plecos. This is personally one of my favorite displays of the green rock accent of green dragon plecos. We have just recently, however, ours enjoys a diet of mostly tropical granules. We've been able to show you most of our favorite groups of plecos in the fish room. However, due to time constraints, we're going to move on to a new species of fish at this time. Here's a quick montage of some of our favorite groups that didn't get highlighted. We are currently breeding a multitude of different rainbow fish species. Rainbow fish are some of the most popular aquarium fish, and for great reason. They are extremely peaceful, beautiful, and social fish, representing all colors of the rainbow spectrum. The first rainbow fish we're going to look at is the Cichlid. This is a critically endangered species endemic to Lake New Guinea. Human activities around